Traditionally cooking food using bamboo is an ancient technique still, practiced in many regions, especially rural areas. The process begins with selecting fresh young bamboo, as its thick walls allow it to withstand heat without breaking easily. The bamboo is cut and cleaned, then hollowed out. Next, minced meat, vegetables, fruits, and mushrooms are added. The washed rice is then placed inside the bamboo, usually mixed with enough water and sometimes with coconut milk. Salt or spices to enhance the flavor. The bamboo is then grilled over hot coals or placed near a campfire. During the cooking process, the bamboo releases a distinctive aroma that permeates the food, creating a unique, slightly smoky flavor.